Best midsize sports sedans for 2024 Audi RS e-tron GT. In the realm of midsize sports sedans, the 2024 Audi RS e-tron GT makes a bold statement, combining electrifying performance with cutting-edge technology and sleek design. As Audi's flagship electric sedan, the RS e-tron GT exemplifies the brand's commitment to sustainable mobility without compromising on exhilarating driving experiences. At the heart of the 2024 Audi RS e-tron GT lies an advanced electric powertrain, comprising dual electric motors, one at the front axle and one at the rear, delivering a combined output of 590 horsepower and 612 lb-ft of torque. This setup allows the RS e-tron GT to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, showcasing its blistering performance capabilities. With instant torque delivery and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, the RS e-tron GT offers dynamic handling and precise control on the road. The RS e-tron GT's dynamic prowess is further enhanced by its advanced chassis and suspension systems. Audi's adaptive air suspension with electronically controlled dampers ensures exceptional ride comfort and responsive handling, while rear-wheel steering enhances agility and stability through corners. The RS e-tron GT features high-performance brakes with regenerative braking capability, allowing for efficient energy recuperation during deceleration. Visually, the 2024 Audi RS e-tron GT commands attention with its striking design language and aerodynamic profile. Its sleek exterior features clean lines, a distinctive single-frame grille with an illuminated e-tron badge, and matrix design LED headlights. The RS e-tron GT rides on 20-inch alloy wheels, further accentuating its sporty stance. Optional carbon fiber exterior accents and a panoramic glass roof add a touch of sophistication and sportiness. Inside the cabin, the RS e-tron GT offers a luxurious and tech-forward environment. Premium materials such as leather upholstery, aluminum trim, and ambient lighting create an upscale ambience. The driver-focused cockpit features sports seats with integrated headrests, a flat-bottomed steering wheel with paddle shifters, and Audi's virtual cockpit digital instrument cluster. The RS e-tron GT is equipped with Audi's MMI infotainment system, which includes a 10.1-inch touchscreen display, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system. Safety features are also a priority in the 2024 Audi RS e-tron GT. The sedan comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These features provide added peace of mind and enhance overall driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2024 Audi RS e-tron GT redefines the concept of midsize sports sedans, offering electrifying performance, luxurious comfort, and cutting-edge technology in a sustainable package. With its powerful electric powertrain, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the RS e-tron GT promises an exhilarating driving experience that will appeal to enthusiasts and eco-conscious consumers alike.